Creating assessments. To create an assessment, locate the folder in which you would like your assessment to be located in. If it is a test, you may have a folder created called tests or quizzes. If it is a homework assignment or any type of other assignment, a lab assignment, then perhaps creating a folder called assignments would be more logical. This helps organize your content, and it helps students see exactly where their assignments will be contained. To create the assessment, simply access the Assessments tab and select which type of assessment you would like to add. Blackboard gives you different options for assessments. In this case, we will create a simple assignment. In this assignment, we will add the name. Let's call this Vocabulary Homework 1. And again, you do have the option to color code the title of your assessment. In this case, we will leave it in black and then move forward to the instructions. For the instructions, again, you will notice all the options that you have here. You can add any type of information. You can have the entire assignment instructions and steps listed here, or you can simply ask the students to refer to an attached file with the project or assignment guidelines. It is necessary to inform the student to view the attachment if you are to include one with the assignment. This will give the student some clarity and will minimize the number of questions you will get by not providing that information. Please see attached file, and you can give the name of the file, Vocabulary Instructions 1 PDF. And then you will browse your computer, or you can browse the course if the assignment has previously been used or previously been uploaded. Once that has been attached, you will assign a due date and a due time. You can also state the number of points possible for this assignment. If it is 10 points, you can list 10 points. If it is 100 points, you can list 100 points. Or you can attach a rubric. If there is a rubric that you have created, then you can select the rubric, or you can create a brand new rubric, or use an old rubric as your stencil or template to create a new one. Once that has been determined, then you have 3 other options that you can select from. Submission details. Is this an individual submission? Is it a group submission? Is it a portfolio submission? Which of these submission types will you be allowing? The number of attempts that are allowed by the student. Will they be able to submit the assignment only once? Will you have multiple attempts? And if you do, what is the maximum number of attempts the student is allowed? Or you can select unlimited attempts. Score attempts. Which attempt will be taken into consideration for grading? Is it the last graded attempt, the highest grade, the lowest grade, so on and so forth? These are all different options that you can use. If the student is to submit their assignment through SafeAssign to check for plagiarism, for example, if it is a report and you want to see and make sure that the student has cited all their sources accordingly, then you can have the assignment selected through SafeAssign, and the student will get the results before it is finalized and submission is sent for instructor to review. You also have other options here for SafeAssign. Grading options. These are options that you have as an instructor to grade anonymously. And then how are the grades going to be displayed? Will they be seeing the score and the letter, or the score only, the letter only, percentage, etc.? You're also asked if this grade is to be included in the grading calculations, and if you want the student to see the grade in the My Grades link upon completion. We also want to set the availability of this particular assignment. You want to make the assignment available, and if there is a limitation on availability, you will select to be displayed, and until when the student is able to view that particular assignment. You can also track the views for this assignment. Once that is completed, click on Submit. Then you will see the assignment appear both on your content inside the particular folder, and you will see it in the table of contents over on the left side. This completes the creation of an assessment within your module.